Welcome to English with Michelle, where I, Michelle, teach you English in 5 minutes or less. Today, we're going to talk about the future. Now, there are two main forms or important forms about the future. Will and going to. Going to is linked in the video below. So this video will talk about will. We use the future form will in 3 instances. Number 1 is future with no evidence. So I think it will happen. For example, in the year 2050, I think we will have self-driving cars. I think we will eat out of a tube. And robots rule the world? I think robots will rule the world. What do you think? Will robots rule the world? The second use of will is for a promise. For example, I promise I will make a video for you every week. And I promise I will explain English in 5 minutes or less, most of the time. And the third option is for informing. So giving information or quick decisions. For example, what will you have for dinner tonight? I will have pasta. What will you wear tomorrow? I will wear blue. Or, will you work tomorrow? Yeah, I'll work at 7 tomorrow. So how do we use will? Well, it's very easy. Subject plus will plus the verb in infinitive, so normal form. For example, he will clean the house. Not he will cleans or he wills cleans. He will clean, normal. She is late. No, she will be late. Or they will pick you up in the car. So what about the negative? Well, we use subject, he, you, I, they. Will not plus the verb. And we contract this, will not, because in English we love short, to won't. So for example, he won't go. She won't live on the moon in 2075. And they won't talk to me with apostrophe, sorry. And questions? Well, questions we do the tuk switch. So we do the auxiliary first and the subject second. So, see you at the party? The question? Will I see you at the party? Or you have time? Will you have time? Or he accept the job? Will he accept the job? Now, when do we use will and when do we use going to? How do we pronounce won't? How do we pronounce want? Those videos are a whole other 5 minutes linked below. Also, I will link some exercises so you can practice. And tell me one thing in the comments below. What do you think the world will be like in 20 years, 30 years, 40 years? So, I'll see you for our next video. But one more question. Will you subscribe to catch the next video?